Every single note that we're going to play in this lesson happens in the first 3 frets and open strings and covers from the 5th string to the 2nd string. So we're not going to use the 6th nor the 1st string at all. We're going to take this measure by measure. Measure number 1 has 3 notes. Every measure is going to have 3 notes. The first one is the C that we have on string number 5, fret number 3. Make sure to use finger 3 for that. So we press there, close to the fret, and we pluck with the thumb on the 5th string. We keep that finger there, we add finger 2 on the 4th string, fret 2, and we pluck that string with the index finger. And then we play the open 3rd string with the middle finger. And that's measure number 1. Measure number 2 is all open strings. Thumb plays the 4th, index plays the 3rd, and middle finger plays the 2nd. These fingers are going to stay there for a while, for 6 measures, which is going to make everything a little bit easier because we're not going to have to move those fingers for almost the entire lesson. Measure number 3. We take the E note on string number 4, fret number 2, with finger 2. Always try to keep fingers close to the fret. Then we're going to play it with the thumb. Open 3rd string with the index. And finger 1 presses the C on string number 2, fret number 1. And we pluck that string with the middle finger. Next measure, we're going to press with finger 3 the F on string 4, fret 3, play it with the thumb. Open 3rd, play it with the index, and then we add finger 4 on the D of string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck that string with the middle finger. Next measure, we go back to the previous position. We go back to the E on the 4th string, fret number 2, played with the thumb, open 3rd with the index, and C on string number 2, fret number 1, press with finger 1, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Then we get all open strings again. The thumb plays the 4th, the index plays the 3rd, and the middle finger plays the 2nd. Second to last measure, similar position than before, exactly the same position that we have seen before. We play the E on the 4th string, fret 2, pluck it with the thumb. We play the 3rd string open with the index. We press with finger 1, string number 2, fret number 1, that's a C. And then we finish with the C on string 5, fret 3, with finger 3.